Hey everybody, I'm VU Tran, and welcome to this awesome journey where we'll be building some seriously cool web applications together. We're talking dynamic websites, real-time chat apps, even your own e-commerce platform. It's going to be epic. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building web apps sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. We'll break down each project step by step using the latest tools and technologies. You'll be surprised how quickly you can pick it up, so buckle up. Get your coding fingers ready, and let's dive into this exciting world of web development. I promise you, by the end of this series, you'll have the skills to build amazing web applications that you can be proud of. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with dynamic websites. Now, unlike static websites that just display fixed content, dynamic websites can change and adapt based on user interaction, making them super engaging. Think about websites like Facebook or Instagram, where the content is constantly updating. That's the magic of dynamic websites. To build our dynamic website, we'll be using modern frameworks like React or Angular. These frameworks are like power tools for web developers, providing pre-built components and structures that make our lives way easier. We'll learn how to create interactive elements, fetch data from servers, and build a user interface that's both visually appealing and functional. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty with some code. We'll be working with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the fundamental building blocks of the web. And don't worry if you're new to these languages. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's take things up a notch and build a real-time chat application, something like your own mini messenger or WhatsApp. Imagine creating a space where users can connect and communicate instantly. It's a fantastic way to learn about real-time communication on the web. Our secret weapon for this chapter is Node.js and WebSocket. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript on the server, creating a powerful backend for our chat app. And WebSocket enables a persistent connection between the client and the server, so messages can flow back and forth instantly, just like in a real conversation. We'll dive into setting up our Node.js server, creating the front-end interface for users to type and display messages, and then connect everything using WebSocket. You'll learn how to handle user authentication, manage chat rooms, and even add fun features like emojis and file sharing. By the end, you'll have a fully functional chat application that you can use to connect with friends or even integrate into other projects. Ever wondered how websites like WordPress or Wix make it so easy for anyone to create their own website or blog? Well, in this chapter, we're going behind the scenes to build our own content management system, or CMS. It's like creating your own platform for creating and managing websites. Pretty cool, right? We'll learn how to design a database to store all the website content, build an intuitive admin panel for users to manage their pages and posts, and create a system to dynamically display this content on the front end. This is where you can get really creative, designing a CMS that's tailored to specific needs, whether it's for a personal blog, a business website, or even a portfolio. Think about the possibilities. You could allow users to customize themes, add plugins for extra functionality, and even integrate social media sharing. This chapter is all about empowering users to create and manage their online presence without needing to be coding wizards. Get ready to enter the world of online shopping. In this chapter, we're building our own e-commerce site, complete with shopping carts, payment gateways, and all the bells and whistles. It's like creating your own mini Amazon or Etsy, and it's a fantastic way to learn about the inner workings of online businesses. We'll tackle the challenge of creating product catalogs, managing inventory, implementing secure payment processing, and ensuring a smooth checkout experience for customers. You'll learn how to use popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, or even build your own custom solution from scratch if you're feeling adventurous. This chapter is all about understanding the key elements of online retail, from product presentation and marketing to order fulfillment and customer service. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in e-commerce development, ready to launch your own online store or help others build theirs. In this digital age, security is paramount. It's not enough to just build cool web applications. We need to make sure they're safe and secure for our users. So in this chapter, we're focusing on building web apps with rock-solid security features. We'll explore user authentication methods like password hashing and two-factor authentication, protecting against common vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, XS, and SQL injection, and implementing secure data storage and encryption. It's all about building trust with your users and ensuring their data is protected. Think of this chapter as adding an extra layer of armor to your web applications. We'll learn how to identify potential security loopholes, implement best practices for data protection, and build robust systems that can withstand attacks. By the end, you'll be equipped to build web applications that are not only cool, but also secure and trustworthy. And that's a wrap. We've covered some serious ground, building dynamic websites, real-time chat, content management systems, e-commerce sites, and even tackled web security. It's been a wild ride, and I hope you've learned a ton along the way. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So keep experimenting, keep building, and don't be afraid to try new things. The world of web development is constantly evolving. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop pushing your boundaries. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one creating the next big thing on the web. I've had an absolute blast building these projects with you, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you create. Until next time, happy coding!